Welcome back. Well, the city of Ayodhya is all set to host the foundation laying ceremony of the Ram Mandir tomorrow itself. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath visited the holy city on Monday to supervise the preparations for what is being called the event of the century. 5 people will be on the stage, according to what information we have picked up so far. Prime Minister Modi, RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat, Uttar Pradesh Governor Anandiben Patel and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath along with Mahant Nritya Gopal Das. We have Vivek also, who will be joining us in just a bit to take us through the preparations that are underway. But remember, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has already said that all COVID-19 protocols will be strictly followed during the the Bhumi Pujan, I beg your pardon, ceremony that will be taking place tomorrow itself. He was personally overseeing preparations yesterday as well and called it a historic and emotional moment. Also said that this will be the foundation of a new India. While heading out of the Congress, he also said that those who are making negative comments on the event tried to create obstacles in the construction of Ram Temple. But for the moment, keeping our focus on all that we can expect tomorrow, Vivek also is with us on the phone line. Vivek, we can see that the city has been painted yellow. We are expecting several lamps that will be lit tomorrow. It's going to be a grand event in that sense. Tell us more about what you're picking up. What does the Prime Minister's itinerary look like? And today as well, we believe some prayers will be performed. उस पे और जानकारी दीजिए विवेक. All right, we seem to have lost that line with Vivek. He'll join us in just a bit. But Prime Minister Modi will be there. Yogi Adityanath said he will be representing the 135 crore people of the country tomorrow. Also appealed to people to follow up on the Bhumi Pujan from wherever they are, be it the respective places. Remember, nearly 200 people have been invited for the ceremony and preparations are on in full swing. Several Hindu traditions that will be followed tomorrow as well. In fact, today also several prayers that will be taking place, and Vivek is back with us to throw more light on what we can expect in the coming few hours. Vivek.
ठीक है, हनुमानगढ़ी में निशान का पूजन होने वाला है और निशान का पूजन अभी यहाँ पर हनुमानगढ़ी में शुरू भी हो चुका है और उसके बाद 3 से 4 घंटे का ये पूरा का जो पूजन का जो कार्यक्रम है वो होगा। और इस बीच में इसकी मान्यता ये है कि हनुमान जी को अयोध्या का राजा बोला जाता है और कुछ भी करना है अगर आपको अयोध्या में तो आपको राजा की परमिशन लेनी जरूरी होती है। और इस नाते सबसे पहले हनुमान जी राम मंदिर निर्माण के पहले यहाँ पर जो हनुमान जी के निशान का पूजन हो रहा है। और इसके साथ ही साथ वैसे मान्यता ये भी है कि इस निशान के पूजन के बाद यहाँ से जो पताका है हनुमानगढ़ी से वो लेकर के राम जन्मभूमि ले जाई जाती थी और उसके बाद उसको सरयू तक ले जाया जाता था। लेकिन चूंकि कोविड चल रहा है, इस नाते जो बाकी के जो कार्यक्रम हैं वो उतनी भव्यता के साथ नहीं किए जा सकते हैं। लेकिन फिर भी जो निशा का जो पूजन है, जो यहाँ की जो भव्यता है निशा के पूजन की, वो यहाँ पर हो रही है। साथ ही साथ जो राम जन्मभूमि परिसर है वहाँ पर रामार्चन का भी कार्यक्रम हो रहा है। रामार्चन का कार्यक्रम तकरीबन बताया जा रहा है कि 9 बजे से शुरू हुआ है और 2 बजे तक तकरीबन चलेगा, यानी कि कुल 5 घंटे तक रामार्चन का कार्यक्रम चलना है। कुल 5 घंटे तक रामार्चन का कार्यक्रम चलना है। तो कुल मिलाकर के जो राम मंदिर निर्माण के पहले जो पूजा पाठ का जो कार्यक्रम है वो कल से ही शुरू हो चुका है। गणेश की पूजा हुई और उसके बाद आज रामार्चन और
Well, the countdown for Bhumi Pujan has begun. Ayodhya is all set for the groundbreaking ceremony, and as we speak, Vivek keeping us ahead on the Ramarchan that is being worshipped in Ram Janmabhoomi temple. This prayer will last for about 5 hours, and Vivek continues to keep us ahead on the preparations that he's picking up from ground zero. Well, we'll keep going across to our reporters for the moment we move on.